officer from your district.
Through the ages of the state administration, from the screen and to the ground reality around us. For a situation which
Mynsaw area, our volunteers have completed the 7 days training suit as well as a t-shirt. They will also routine.
The villagers were blindsided by nature's rage. After the disaster struck, he contacted the district officials.
Or if he's vomiting or such, I will come into his side, lift his head and...
The works of organization.
I have seen it happening since practice and rehearsal cannot.
Civil defense and home guard under the leadership
Bharat Scout, NCC, NSS for instill the confidence in this volunteer, in this team that they should help and they should be part of the solution. Because we are living in the world that disaster is awaiting us. It is not that it is not going to happen. It is everywhere. And we need to respond. And especially nowadays, the most difficult part is most of the disaster is man-made disaster. Especially in urban. Shillong, as a whole, it is, so to say, a center for disaster, God forbid, to happen. You have seen most of the road, you cannot drive. So Shillong is an unplanned city. We may be a plan for the single-story building. We are a planned city for the Assam White House. We are not a planned city for the Northeast. And I'm very happy that you are the very good. You have the mind, the Sngewbha mindset to help the others. You have instilled in yourself the mind that how to help the people. As I said before, you are part of the solution, not a part of the problem.